Now let's see one more number to find the square root by prime factorization method. We are going to find the prime factors of 8100. By seeing the number itself, you can understand the number is ending with 0. So directly you can take 5 or 2 also. Is it? You can take 2. This is an even number. You can take the prime number 2 or 5. So if we take 5 in 8, how many times 5? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. It is going beyond 8. So not 2 counts, only one time. 5 ones are 5. Is there remainder in 3 or not? 5 ones are 5, 6, 7, 8. There is a remainder 3. Is it? So now assume 3 1 31. 5 ones are 5 in 8. 5 ones are 5 and remainder 3. Now assume 3 1 31. In 31, how many times 5? In 31, how many times 5? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 6 are 30. Is it 6 times? 5 6 are 30. Is there remainder in 31 or not? 5 6 are 30 and there is a remainder 1. So now assume with the next digit 1 0 10. In 31, 5 times 6, okay, 30 and the remainder 1 there. So now assume 10. In 10, how many times 5? In 10, how many times 5? 2 times. 5 twos are 10. Then, is there any remainder in 10? No. Then what is the next digit? 0 coming. So, just write down that 0. So now we received 1620. Again this number can be divisible by 5. Is it 5 or 2? We can take 2 also here. Instead of 5, 2 also can be taken because this is an even number. We can divide it by 2. So now we are going to divide this number by 5. 1 cannot be. So take 2-digit number 16. In 16, how many times 5? In 16, how many times 5? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20. It's going beyond 16. So 5 times 3. 5 threes are 15. 5 threes are 15. And is there remainder? Yes. In 16, there is a remainder 1. Now assume with the next digit 2, 1 to 12. Now in 12, how many times 5? In 12, how many times 5? 2 times. Is it? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. It is going beyond 12. So don't take third count. 5 twos are 10. In 12, how many times 5? 2 times. 5 twos are 10. And is there remainder in 12 or not? 5 twos are 10. Then remainder 2 is there. So now along with the next digit, the remainder 2 and 0, 20. Assume like the 2, 0, 20. In 20, how many times 5? 4 times. Now, just see, this number is not ending with 0, so we cannot divide it by 5. So now, the next, prime number, first prime number 2 itself can be taken because even number. So in 3, how many times 2? In 3, how many times 2? 1 time. 2 ones are 2. Is there remainder in 3 or not? 2 ones are 2 and there is a remainder 1. Once again, in 3, how many times 2? 1 time. 2 ones are 2 and the remainder 1 is there in 3. Is it remainder 1? So now assume 1 to 12. Assume 1 to 12. In 12, how many times 2? 6 times. 2 6 are 12. Is there any remainder in 12? 2 6 are 12. Correctly coming, no remainder. Then go to the next digit 4. In 4, how many times 2? 2 times. So now we can divide this again by 2. because this is an even number ending with even number. So now we are dividing this by 2. 1 cannot be, so to take 2-digit number in 16, how many times? 2. 8 times. Is it? 8 times. 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16. No remainder in 16. And go to the next digit in 2. How many times? 2. 1 time. Now this number is not divisible by the factor 2, is it? It's not an even number, so we cannot divide it by 2. The next prime number 3 we can check. 8 plus 1, 9. Add the digits, 9 coming. So definitely 9 is the multiple of 3. We can divide it by 3. So in 8, how many times 3? 2 times. In 8, how many times 3? 2 times. 2 3s are 6. And the remainder in 8, 2 times 3, 2 3s are 6 and remainder is 2. So now assume 2 1 21. In 21, how many times 3? In 21, how many times 3? 7 times. So now again 2 cannot be 3 directly. So in 27, how many times 3? 9 times. So again 9 can be divisible by 3 only. So 3 3s are 9. So this is a prime number. So let's stop here. Now let's list out all the prime numbers. Let's pick all the prime numbers from here. 5 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Let's write down 3 into 3. All these numbers picked up prime numbers. 5 into 5 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3, one more pair, 3 into 3. Now let's take the root from this pair. One root. From the next pair, one root 2, a root 2. Then from this pair, root 3. And from this pair, one more root 3. Now we need to multiply. 5 2s are 10. 10 3s are 30. 30 3s are 90. Is it? 5 2s are 10. 10 3s are 30. 30 3s are 90. So 90 is the root of 8100. Root of 8100 is 90.